everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Millie, and earlier this week I did a haul of loads of different things, but in the haul there was a big box of things from Superdrug, loads of skincare bits, and one of the bits that I picked up was these. These are the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Reusable Eco Pads. Now you use these instead of cotton wool pads to take off any makeup with a micellar water. This is always my first step when I am winding down for the evening, so I wanted to test these out for you today and give you my honest thoughts and opinions. I do believe that these are new. It doesn't say anywhere on here that they are, but I think this is the first time I've ever seen them. So let's just get into taking my makeup off. So I will of course start by tying up my hair because I don't want that getting in the way. So in the box you get 3 reusable eco pads. That's how they are described, and it says on the box that they have 100 washes per pad. So you use it once, then you throw it in with your laundry as normal, and when it comes out it is clean and ready to use again. Now, like all of these sort of reusable things that you're putting onto your face, you must wash these in between uses, otherwise you're just reintroducing lovely old bacteria onto your skin, and that is where you get breakouts. So these obviously washable, so you can just put them into the washing machine. I'm assuming you can't tumble dry them, but I mean, I wouldn't tumble dry them anyway. They are 100% polyester, but they are so soft. They are like those teddy bear jackets that you get that are just so amazingly soft. They have a pink side and a white side. I don't know how I'll be able to see under my lights, but one side that's pink, one side that's white. And I was gonna put on like a really dark liquid lip today, but I forgot. So we just have a normal lipstick on today to try and take off. I have glitter eyeshadow on, mascara, eyeliner, and a full face of makeup. I haven't had it on for that long, but I thought I'd take it off with one of these today and test them out for the first time. Obviously we're not going to have the full effect of me being able to tell you how they wash and how they come out the other end and if they're still as soft and all of that sort of stuff, but I will leave that in the description box down below after I have used one of these. So this is the micellar water that I'm going to be using today. This is the oil infused cleansing water for dry and sensitive skin. I don't know how you can see, but it's the one with the golden coloured oil on the top. This is my personal favourite. I find that it works the best and leaves my skin feeling the best. So I'm sorry if you can hear the road. I'm going to shake this up. Oh, the lid is leaking though. Don't know how much I'm going to need to saturate it. Okay, not that much. You don't need a lot of micellar water. Noted. It's all over me now. Like I said, I have a full face of makeup on. I will start with the pink side. They do both feel the same, both sides, and like even the edging is very, very smooth and doesn't feel like it's going to be irritating in any way. That is very soft on my skin. Oh, it seems to be doing a very good job. So I think if I can take all of my face makeup off with one side and then my eye makeup with the other side, I'm wondering if that will be the best way to do it. You can of course use these to apply toner and other products that you would maybe use cotton pads for, because obviously cotton pads come in, I mean they're not great in themselves, but then they're always packaged in plastic, and then oftentimes that plastic is then packaged in more plastic and you put it in a plastic bag to carry it home. Like, I just think even this box is biodegradable, so it's just, obviously I'm moving in the right direction. See how quickly that just took off my eyebrow? No rubbing. Straight off. I look really crazy now, I do apologise. But that is all my skin makeup off. I mean, I have used the other side a little bit, but... And I can still feel that the pad is damp. It does still have the micellar water on it. It feels really softer on my eyes. Wow. That would work really well. I do still have some mascara left. I do layer up my mascara very, very thick, so I will just say that I do normally have to go over my eyes a few times. I normally use 2 cotton pads just to take off my eye makeup, and then maybe another 2 to take off my skin makeup, maybe even another 3 or 4 for my skin, depending on how much I have on. So that is the before and after. That has worked so well. So that was the side that was originally pink, so maybe that's not the best comparison, because obviously it's got my skin colour on it now. Just dragged that right across my eye, can you see that? I am so impressed. This is so soft. It doesn't feel like, it's softer than a cotton pad. Absolutely softer than a cotton pad, and less sort of abrasive. I do find that sometimes they can be a little bit rough on your skin, but even like I'm using this now right up to the very, very edge where all of like the stitching is around the edge, and that is so gentle on my eyes. I mean, my eyes may look a little bit red, but I do have I do have sensitive skin, so we'll let it off for that. I am very, very impressed with that. So that is what it looks like. So that was just taking off my eye makeup, and that was my skin and a little bit of mascara there. But that is just one pad. I actually think I use less micellar water as well, which is always good. My skin feels fine. Just like, I would always go in with a second cleanse anyway. I still have it here. This is the one that I normally use, the Naturally Radiant Brightening Hot Cloth Cleanser from Superdrug. Normally always use that anyway afterwards, so I will go and do that once I'm done here. But yeah, I am so impressed with that. That is so gentle. I think I'm gonna have to get some more of these. So like I said, they come in a pack of 3. So even if I only use these 3 times a week, that would be like halving the amount of cotton pads that I use, which is obviously amazing. If I got another pack of these, then I don't think I would have to use cotton pads for anything. I do like applying my toner with cotton pads, but I have seen some videos recently where people just pour the toner into their hands and then like dab it on, so I might even do that, who knows. So yeah, my parting thoughts are, very impressed. 10 out of 10 for softness. I definitely think if they come out of the wash as soft as they come out of the box, then definitely I am a convert. My worries always were that they wouldn't be very soft and that I would feel as though I was sort of scrubbing at my skin. Even with like a muslin cloth, sometimes I feel that they're a little bit rough, but then I also feel like I'm getting an exfoliation with it, so it's sort of giving and taking. But yeah, definitely so soft. Really impressed with how little product I actually had to use. This feels like it may even just take off my makeup with water. That's another test I could do, I suppose, for another day. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you tried this product as well and what you thought, because maybe it's just me that thinks that. Maybe other people have had really horrible ones, but let me know in the comment section down below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!